Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you today the rental property I have in Tybee Island Drive, Indigo Lakes in Naples, Florida. It's a 4-bedroom plus a den and 4-bathroom home with a pool, 3-car garage. Come take a look. 4 bedrooms with a den, 3-car garage, all 1 floor. Extra parking. Come take a look inside. There's 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on the right side of the house. As you go outside to the pool area, nice quiet preserve behind you. Those are 2 avocado trees there with the Haas avocados. Nice and peaceful. Pool bath over here. Primary and office space is to the left as you walk into the house. Formal dining, nice big open concept kitchen, laundry that leads into the garage, This home is perfect for someone looking to buy in the area, but they're not sure where they want to go yet, or somebody that's building a home and the home just isn't ready yet. It's a 6-month minimum for rentals. So if you know anyone looking, or if you're looking to rent a home here in Naples, Florida, give me a call, Samantha Pasquino with Local Real Estate and the Julie Hill team. My phone number is 239-287-0512. Have a great day.